Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Dolphin Emulator and how to add the game in PC. For that, open the app and you can see on the top there are a lot of like configure and graphics. So you can from there you can edit your settings for your gaming experience. So you can lower or higher the graphics resolution. Also, you can change the controller system as well. So there are lots of options which are available, and then you can simply go to the configure option. There is a lot of other options which are also available, which I am showing. You can see it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add games. For that, you have to go to the path and then press add. So just find the desired folder where you have downloaded the game and simply press select. So this way you can add and then press add. Okay, so this way you can add your games and you can use Dolphin Emulator on your PC. Thank you for watching.